In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp tasks to CSV. If you need a clean snapshot of your tasks for reporting, sharing with stakeholders, or analyzing in a spreadsheet, exporting to CSV is the quickest way to get there. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a simple, widely compatible format that works in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and most data platforms. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into the workspace that holds the task you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple ones, because exports are tied to the space, folder, or list you choose. Also, note that some organizations limit who can export, so if you don't see the option later on, you may need permission from an admin. Next, look for your profile icon. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it at the bottom left of the interface. Click it to open the account menu. This menu is your gateway to workspace-level actions, and it's the fastest way to reach the export controls. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to the central hub where you can manage personal and workspace settings. Don't worry if the page looks busy. We're heading to a very specific area meant for moving data in and out of ClickUp. In the Settings sidebar, find and click Imports, Exports. This section groups everything related to bringing data into ClickUp and sending it out. It's normal to land on the Import view first, especially if you've never exported before. Now switch to the Export view. You'll usually see a tab, toggle, or link labeled Export. Click that to move from importing to exporting. If you don't spot it right away, scroll a bit within the section it's there. Once you're on the export side, you're in the right place to prepare your CSV. Finally, choose the location you want to export from and start the export. Pick the exact space, folder, or list that contains the task you need. Be as specific as possible to keep your CSV focused and manageable. Depending on your setup, you may see options related to subtask, archived items, or other fields. Use these to tailor what goes into the file so you get only the data you care about. When everything looks right, confirm to begin the export. Larger exports can take a moment, so keep the browser tab open until it finishes. When it's done, your CSV file will download, ready for analysis, backup, or sharing. That's all there is to it. Simple, accurate, and fast.